Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda Shadow Aero Cruiser. It's got that beautiful classic styling with the long flowing fenders, two-tone paint scheme, black and blue. It's got a front fender guard, engine guards, floorboards, Mustang saddle, saddlebags, touring windscreen, passenger backrest, luggage rack, phone mount, 12-volt power takeoff. Come by, make your shaft drive Shadow Cruiser dreams come true for just $34.90. This bike just arrived with only 17,000 miles. Beautiful condition. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.